Hey everyone, welcome back to Declutter and Smile. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way for you to clean the mirrors in your home. So here we go, clean mirror. Let me know how you clean your mirrors at home. Do you use Windex or any other of the name brand products, or do you use homemade products such as my vinegar and water mixture? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you will get notifications as to when I post new videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.